So, do you have any advice for any upcoming technical directors? Anyone who is thinking that this is where they want to go in their next career move?
Um, you have to uh, you have to be good with people, definitely.
Mm,
Particularly if you're going to manage teams, then you have to have good conflict resolution skills, um, a good understanding of not necessarily not necessarily the code itself. So you don't need to be a domain expert in Symfony or something like that.
no.
You do have to understand how these tools work together and how they fit together as well,
Yeah.
and have a real passion for development itself,
Mm, mm-hmm.
because a lot of your role is going to be actually trying to get other people into doing following practices or into new technologies or experimenting, messing about,
Yeah.
and trying to lead them to to get the finished product in.
Yeah.
But I'd say most of all, your interpersonal skills are going to be key,
Right.
uh,
Right.
because developers can be an interesting bunch. I've worked with all sorts of developers, and I know the development industry gets a bit of a reputation for having people with things like Asperger's and what have you.
Mm,
And I have to be honest, from my experience, there does seem to be a higher percentage of people who are on the spectrum than some other industries.
mm,
So understanding how to approach those people, work
mm,
with them, get the best out of them, and how to help them
mm,
integrate with the rest of the team in a way that it's cohesive and people work well together
mm.
is probably a key fundamental.
Yeah.
So if that's the sort of thing that you enjoy doing, mentoring, helping people along, and making, getting things that work and making things work, it's definitely would be a good career option for you.
That sounds great. That sounds great. Yeah, there's lots of good advice there. Lots of golden advice to give.